you start to really see a lot of magic that just a year ago you really couldn't do. Being able to work together with Google to ensure that what we're doing is most optimal, most effective. My name is Jaime Tatis. I'm the Chief AI Officer for TELUS. We provide the best technology solutions for healthcare, agriculture, and digital solutions. We have over 20 million customer connections, and we operate now over 160 countries across the world. It was clear for us that we needed to modernize our data landscape. So when you look at Google, you have DeepMind, you have data engineering, you have system modernization, you have a lot of intellect that we want to tap on. So what we set to do with Google as our partner is we set to modernize our data stacks. We actually went and rebuilt all the data pipelines that we had in much better ways that are more reliable, more effective. You need to have a culture of experimentation. You need to have a culture of innovation. And the more innovation that happens, the more transformation that happens, the more you can show the way to everybody else on what is possible and how you can move to the next frontier. So our speed to market, our ability to be able to go from inception to prove value to scale, it drastically changed. It was an exponential change. There's ample opportunities on how we're going to automate and create less friction of how customers can interact with us, how we can help them in any stage of their business where they are with the best products that we can offer them, with the best performance and efficiency that we can provide to their solutions. You need to partner with Google and other partners that they have as well. And as the technology evolves, there's going to be more ideas and more opportunities that you have. TELUS is creating a new way for Canada to prosper and for all Canadians to have the best customer experiences.